In this session, let us learn about NumPy unfuncs. What are unfuncs? Unfunc stands for universal functions, and they are NumPy functions that operate on the end array object. Why use unfuncs? Unfuncs are used to implement vectorization in NumPy, which is way faster than iterating over elements. They also provide broadcasting and additional methods like reduce, accumulate, etc. that are very helpful for computation. Unfuncs also take additional arguments like where Boolean array or condition defining where the operations should take place, dtype defining the return type of elements, output array where the return value should be copied. What is vectorization? Converting iterate statements into a vector based operations is called vectorization. It is faster as modern CPUs are optimized for such operations. Add the element of two lists. See, list 1 is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, list 2 is equal 4, 5, 6, 7. One way of doing it is to iterate over both of the lists and then sum each elements. Without unfunc, we can use Python's built-in zip method. See, by using zip method, by executing this code, the result returns this 5, 7, 9, 11. NumPy has a unfunc for this call add xy that will produce the same result. With unfunc, we can use the add function. See, by using add function, the result returns 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay friends, this is the end of part 31 NumPy introduction unfunctions. In next video, let us learn about another topic, create your own unfunc. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.